Hello children, welcome to 6th class students. Children, all of us know that we can improve our language by interacting in English with our friends and teachers by reading stories, newspapers, etc. and by listening to and watching English programs on TV. Children, in this session, let us read second unit of 6th class. Children, this is our second unit. The name of the unit is Telangana, the pride of the people, children. Telangana, the pride of the people. Telangana, the pride of the people. Telangana, the long-lasting dream of our people, has become true on 2nd June 2014. It is the red letter day for us. Many people sacrifice their lives for our state. Tributes to all who sacrifice their lives for the cause. Salutations to youth who participate in the struggle. Children, I am very proud to say teachers and students also participate in this struggle. Now we have our own state. Own state with our own culture. Children, do you know who is our first chief minister? Yes, he is Kalvakuntla Chandrasekhar Rao. We call him as KCR, means Kalvakuntla Chandrasekhar Rao. Children, in the first part, we read about the festivals like Bonalu, Batkama and Pirla Pandaga. In the first session, we read about the celebrations of Bonalu and Batkama. Bonalu. Bonalu, it is celebrated very grandly in our state. It has given the great importance in our state. We celebrate our festivals with warmth and fervor. Bonalu, our state festival. It is celebrated during Ashadam as thanksgiving to the goddess Mahankali for fulfilling our wishes. We prepare rice cooked with milk and jaggery, put in a ghattam and decorated the pot, and this pot is carried in a procession singing songs. This is a very grand year celebration, children. It is celebrated grandly in our state. Of the next day of the Bonalu, the processions will be taken over in our state. It is a grand year festival. Next, after Bonalu, the grandeur festival celebrated by us is Batkama. It is celebrated as a part of Dasara. The festival has historical and religious significance. Women carry Batkama beautifully stacked with Tangedu, Gunugu and Chamanti flowers to the meeting points, making circles around Batkama. Women folk sing songs related to our culture. Later, the Batkama taken to the local tanks and streams to be immersed. Children, just now we completed the first part summary. Now, let us start second part of our lesson, Telangana, the pride of the people. Second part. Before going to read the lesson, let us see some meanings to the unknown words. Children, the first word is religious tolerance. Religious tolerance means accepting the feelings of all religions. In Telangana, many religions are there and many festivals have been celebrated. So, we have religious tolerance. We accept the feelings of all religions in our state. Immerse. Immerse means, children, To put into water. Immerse means to put into water. Weaver. Weaver. One who makes cloth. Next word is antiques. Antiques means things that are old and valuable. Very old things, children. Antiques means. Next, revive. To make active again. Revive means to make active again. Preserve. Preserve. To keep in good condition. Next word is dedicate means to devote. Next word is pattern means an arrangement of a design. See children, the design is there. An arrangement of a design means it is a pattern. Portrait, painting. Portrait means painting. Portrait, painting. Invocation, prayer. Invocation means prayer. Prominence, prominence, importance. Prominence means importance. Now children, let us read our unit 2, the Telangana, Pride of the People. Let us read the lesson now. Telangana, the pride of the people. What is Muharram? Kiran asked. Muharram is celebrated in many parts of our state. It is the symbol of religious tolerance. Religious tolerance. During this, the Pirlu are kept in village points. The Pirlu are immersed in the local lakes and tanks. Indeed, our festivals and art forms symbolize our culture. They are reflected in our lifestyle, said Harry. See, this is how the Muharram is celebrated. These are called Pirlu. The people are carrying Pirlu, and later after procession, they will be immersed in water. Our saris are famous worldwide, said Lakshmi. The saris of Pochampalli, Gadwal and Narayanpet are very popular for their attractive patterns. Our weavers of Sirsila produce saris that fit in a matchbox. The wooden toys of Nirmal steal the hearts of everyone. All this make our state great, said Indu. Now let us see the pictures of some saris, children. Pochampalli. This is Pochampalli sari. Gadwal saris. Gadwal saris. These are Narayanpet saris. Narayanpet. Sirsila, industry of textile. Textile city, very famous nowadays. It is famous for making the saris which are fit in matchbox. Sirsila, in these boxes the saris fit. The excellent work done by the weavers here. Next children, Nirmal. Nirmal famous for wooden toys. Now let us read the next paragraph. Besides, we have Jataras. The Sammakka and Saralamma Jatara of Medaram. Warangal is one of the biggest gatherings in the world. Lakhs of people take part in it. Moreover, there are several places of attraction in our state. Hyderabad, Nagarjunasagar, Yadadri, Vemulavada, Alampur, Srirangapuram and Bhadrachalam are some among them, said Hari. Now children, see here. This is the picture of Sammakka and Saralamma Jatara. It is a famous Jatara by tribal people of Warangal. So it is a great gathering of the people of our Telangana. It is a pride festival, one of the brightest festival in our state. See the pictures. This is Warangal. See, 1,000 pillars. Temple of 1,000 pillars. It is a very famous temple, Warangal. Hyderabad. Whenever we talk about Hyderabad, children, automatically we get into our minds Charminar. So this is our greatest monument. Nagarjuna Sagar. Nagarjuna Sagar. Yadadri Temple. Yadadri Temple. Vemulavada. Vemulavada. Next, Alampur, Jogulamba. It is also famous temple of our state. Srirangapuram. It is also one of the oldest monument. Bhadrachalam, fame of our state. We went on a tour to Nagarjuna Sagar last year. We visited the museum there. It has a huge collections of antiques, said Indu. See children, Nagarjuna Sagar. Indu is saying that they went to Nagarjuna Sagar last year and they visited museum also, which is full of antiques. Salarjung Museum. And the Salarjung Museum of Hyderabad is one of the 3 national museums which has antiques and portraits collected by a single person, Kiran added. Kiran is saying about the Salarjung Museum. See, this is the Salarjung Museum situated at Hyderabad. We visited the Golconda Fort last Sunday. There, we saw the place where Bhakta Ramdasu was imprisoned, Indu added. Now, Indu is telling about Golconda Fort. See, children, how beautiful the fort is. This is our Golconda Fort, where Ramadasu was imprisoned. Indu is saying about this to brother. Not only that, our great poets contributed to our rich culture. Bammara Potana's Bhagavatam is known for its literary fragrance. Kancharla Gopalna, known as Bhakta Ramadasu, made our literature great with his Kirtanas. Malliganti Suri, Kaloji Narayanrao, Dasarathi Rangacharyalu and Dasarathi Krishnamacharyalu are the jewels of Telangana, said Lakshmi. Now, people, children, Bammera Potana. He is Bammera Potana. He is Kancharla Gopalna. He is also known as Bhakta Ramadasu. Kaloji Narayanrao. Kaloji Narayanrao. Dasarathi Rangacharyalu. Dasarathi Rangacharyalu. Dasarathi Krishnamacharyalu. Dasarathi Krishnamacharyalu. Now, let us read the next parachaka. Oggu Kada is a very popular folklore singing, praising and narrating the stories of Mallanna, Beerappa and Ellamma. The narrator and the chorus, 2 narrators dramatize and transform themselves into the characters. Perini Shivatandavam is the dance form originated in Telangana. It has historical prominence. During the dynasty of the Kakatiyas, the soldiers performed this dance as the invocation and dedicated it to Lord Shiva. This dance form was revived by Sri Nataraja Ramakrishna, Hari said. Children, this is Oggu Kada. Oggu Kada. This is Perini Shivatandavam. Perini Shivatandavam. It is done by Sri Nataraja Ramakrishna. He is Nataraja Ramakrishna. It is high time for us to remember our great personalities who dedicated their life for Telangana. The temples, the antiques, the art forms, the literature, and our language contribute to our culture and heritage. We need to preserve them. I hope our government will also take necessary steps in this regard, said Harry. Now, children, after reading the text, let us see our reading comprehension. This makes us to understand the complete text. The lesson name is Telangana, the pride of the people. Our first question. How is our culture manifested? Our culture is manifested by celebrating our festivals. Children, see, uh, to manifest our culture, mostly the famous festival for us is Bonalu. So, by celebrating these festivals, we can manifest our culture. What should we do to preserve our culture? What should we do to preserve our culture? We can preserve our culture by celebrating festivals and communicating our beliefs to next generation. As children, we can preserve. How can we preserve? We can preserve by communicating, not by keeping them in a box or like that. These type of festivals and cultures can be preserved by transmitting to generation to generations. So communicating and teaching to children and teaching to next generations is very important. So let me read the answer once again. We can preserve our culture by celebrating festivals and communicating our beliefs to next generation. What should the government do to preserve our culture and heritage as children? What should our government do? What precautions to be taken to preserve our culture and heritage? As children, this is Batkama festival. And children, government should play vital role in communicating the ideas, customs and social behavior of a particular people or society. For example, our Telangana government played a vital role in communicating the festivals like Bonalu and Batkama. For celebrating Batkama, government distributed saris and made arrangements to play Batkama at different areas. See children, government also government also encouraged schools to celebrate Batkama festival and to communicate the ideas and culture to the students. So, mostly the teachers and students played a vital role in communicating and preserving the cultures. See children. Children also taught how to prepare Batkama and how to participate in our festivals because today's children are tomorrow's citizen. They will they will take part to the next generations and the preservation of the culture moves on as it moves with the children. So the government has taken the vital role and major role in communicating the idea of playing Batkama at schools and also in particular areas like at Hyderabad, Tangband areas and very important areas, government offices, every place. The government encouraged all the people to participate in Batkama celebrations. Next, children, we have many festivals. What is your favorite festival? Why do you like it? We have many festivals, no? Tell me, what is your favorite festival? Why do you like it? As usual, children, this is your own answer. That we should start the answer like I like. You write your favorite festival and how do we celebrate it and why do you like it? Children, culture. Telangana language is Telugu. So, let me complete my session by saying ధన్యవాదములు.